Okay, welcome back to my class. So today in this video, we'll discuss comparative development experiences of India and its neighbor. So here in this chapter, we'll discuss the developmental strategies of all these three countries, and we'll make the comparison that which country has achieved a high rate of economic growth and that growth in other indicators. So we'll make the comparison in between the India and Pakistan and India with China. So we'll make in this chapter we'll make a comparative study of the development of all these three countries. So firstly, this chapter will discuss in a different part one, part two, part three. So today we'll discuss the development path of India, Pakistan, and China. So let us see this. You all are knowing that these all three countries they got the independence at the same time. We can say that India and Pakistan got independence in the year 1947. Before 1947, Pakistan was also the integral part of India, but because of the partition of India, that the Pakistan become one separate independent country. And let us see the China, this People's Republic of China, that we call the People's Republic of China, and People's Republic of China was established in the year 1949. So all these three countries, they adopted the same strategies for the development. They adopted a planned economic development. So this planning in India, let us see, the first 5-year plan was launched in the year 1951, whereas in Pakistan, the first 5-year plan was launched in the year 1956. But China, this launched the 5-year plan in the year 1953. So India and Pakistan, let us see, they adopted the strategies for the development of the public sector. So the India and Pakistan, here we can say India and Pakistan adopted similar strategies such as creating a large public sector. Large public sector means in India and Pakistan, what happened? They adopted mixed type of economy, and mixed economy is an economy in which there is the coexistence of public sector and private sector. So side by side, this private sector also take part in the production and distribution. So public sector means government ownership and private ownership. They were allowed in our country, in India as well as in Pakistan. But as far as China is concerned, China adopted another type of economy. They adopted the command economy. Command model of economy is economy in which means of production and distribution are owned and controlled by the government, and ownership of land and property are in the hand of the government. So this was the difference. India and Pakistan, they were having the mixed type of economy, but China was having the command economy. It means private property were not allowed in China. So here I have already written. Let us see from first point. All the three countries started their development path at the same time. India and Pakistan got independence in 1947, and People's Republic of China was established in 1949. All the three countries had started planning their development strategies in similar ways. India announced its first 5-year plan in the year 1951. Pakistan announced in 1956, and China in 1953. India and Pakistan adopted similar strategies. So similar strategies were being adopted by both India and Pakistan, and the strategy was creating a large public sector. So let us see, key industries were owned and controlled by the we can say by the government, and it was let us say run by the public sector. So all key industries, both in this India as well as in Pakistan, they were owned and controlled by the public sector. And raising public expenditure on social development. Social development means the development of the, we can say, welfare of the individuals. So in these countries, what happened, the welfare of the people were given priority, such as, let us see, this education, health services, transport services, and different other, let us see, the welfare services were given priority in these two countries. So both India and Pakistan had adopted mixed economy. I told you mixed economy is a economy which is the coexistence of both public sector and private sector. Public sector is the sector which is owned and controlled, managed by the government, whereas the private sectors are the enterprises. They are owned and controlled either by the individuals or by the organizations. So this mixed type of economic system were being adopted in India and Pakistan, but let us see, but China had adopted command economy model of economic growth. Command economy is a feature of the communist economy. So communist economy was being adopted in China, and in the communist economy there was one party system in the communist economy, and there was the central command. So there was the command, and there was no private sector. There was no existence of private sector, market economy. There was no existence of market economy in China. But here in India, let us see this both. We can say market economy as well as a socialistic pattern of economy are existing in both India and Pakistan. But in China, there was only socialistic pattern of economy. There was no existence of market economy. There was no existence of private sector in China. So till 1980s, all the three countries had similar growth rates and per capita income. So as far as the growth rate in terms of GDP is concerned, in terms of per capita income, you all are knowing that when we divide the GDP by the total population, we get the per capita income. So per capita income and the growth rate of GDP were almost the same in all the three countries till 1980s. So then after, let us see, we'll discuss in the next video, we'll discuss the developmental strategies when the reforms were introduced in all the countries. Then certainly these developmental strategies and the economic growth rate in all these three countries changes. So economic reforms were implemented in China in 1978. So in the year 1978, China adopted the economic reforms. Economic reforms before, or we can say till 1978, this Chinese economy was closed economy. It was not open economy. The Chinese economy, let us see, it was not open to the world. Let us say this economy, Chinese economy, we can say it was a closed economy, and there was no existence of the market economy in China. But that in the year 1978, when the economic reform was introduced in China, they brought a lot of reforms in the field of trade, in the field of foreign investment, in the field of industry, in the field of agriculture. So a lot of reforms were being introduced in China, and Chinese economy was open. And let us see, this economy, the Chinese economy was open from closed economy to market economy, closed economy to open economy. That strategies also we'll discuss in the next video. In Pakistan, let us say, economic reforms were introduced in the year 1988 and India in 1991. So new economic policy, or let us say this liberalization, privatization and globalization policy was introduced in India in the year 1991. And so this was the, this we can say, the developmental path of India, Pakistan and China. So in the next video, we'll discuss the developmental path of China, then developmental path of Pakistan. Then we'll make the comparative, we'll make the comparison in between the India, Pakistan, and China. Okay, I think this is clear to all of you. Okay, thank you.